In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share iCloud storage with family. This process is straightforward, but it's essential to have a couple of things ready before you start. First, ensure you have an iCloud Plus subscription that's 200 gigabytes or larger. This is necessary if you want to share storage. Also, make sure that family sharing is set up on your device. You can share your storage with up to 5 other family members, but rest assured, everyone's photos, files, and backups will remain private. Let's begin by sharing your iCloud Plus storage. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in, find and tap on the Family option. From there, you will see Subscriptions. Give that a tap, and then tap on iCloud Plus. Follow the on-screen instructions to share with family. This step is crucial because it allows your family to access the storage space you're offering, but not your personal data. If you haven't set up family sharing yet, don't worry. Go back to the Settings app, tap Family once again, and this time tap on Set up your family. Follow the prompts to invite family members. You'll send them an invitation, and once they accept, they'll be part of your family sharing group. This step is important because it connects your family under one shared ecosystem, simplifying storage and other shared services. After your family members have accepted the invitation, you can return to Settings, tap on Family, then Subscriptions, and finally iCloud Plus. This is where you enable storage sharing. Sharing your storage plan can be a great way to save money while keeping everyone's data organized and secure. Now, let's talk about what family members need to do if they already have their own iCloud Plus plan. They can easily switch to your shared plan. They just need to open Settings on their device. Next, they'll tap on Family, followed by Subscriptions, and then iCloud Plus. They'll see an option for Use Family Storage or Use Shared Plan. Tapping this will allow them to switch to your plan seamlessly. It's important to note that each family member keeps their own private photos, files, backups, and passwords. Sharing only provides access to the shared storage space, not each other's data. This little assurance is vital for maintaining privacy and trust within your family group. Depending on your subscription, you can share 50 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, 2 terabytes, 6 terabytes, or even 12 terabytes of iCloud Plus plans with your family sharing group. Having the flexibility to choose the right plan size ensures you have ample storage for everyone while managing your costs effectively. So, there you have it, a simple guide on how to share iCloud storage with your family. Remember, the key is to have the right subscription and to set up family sharing correctly. Once you do, you'll enjoy the convenience of shared storage and the peace of mind that comes with knowing everyone's data is kept private and secure. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.